Welcome aboard the Carnival Radiance, where we are checking out balcony room 6459, a cabin that could connect with its own hallway to room 6461. Stepping into the room, you'll notice two closet sections here on your right, which house your short and long hanging items, and safe for securing your valuables along with shelves. Next, here is the vanity desk area, which houses various shelves, drawers, and small cabinet to help you keep organized. You have two USB outlets for your small devices, two US receptacles, and a single European outlet. I'll leave a link in the description for the specific European adapter I recommend getting for hassle-free charging. Next, we have our primary seating area. Above the couch is a dedicated reading light, which is a nice touch. And anchoring the entire seating area is this large coffee table you'll see as we pan across the room. We have a mid-sized TV mounted at the end of the bed, and on the back wall, the door leading to the restroom. This room is currently with the bed in the king position. Alternatively, this king can be split into two separate twin beds if you are traveling with your friends or children. Stepping inside the restroom, you'll see the familiar Carnival layout. It's a full-length vanity with 4 shelves and a little storage underneath, plus towel bars and towels along the back wall. The shower features a clothesline, adjustable shower wand, shampoo and shower gel dispensers, a grab bar, and of course, the shower curtain that everyone dreads. Let's take a peek at the window view of the extended balcony. You get a balcony as wide as the entire room, complete with 2 chairs and nothing blocking your view. After that quick mini tour, it's clear this room is amazing, featuring an extended balcony, ample open space, and generous storage. Carnival Radiance Cabin 6459 is officially sold as a standard balcony, but thanks to its corner location, extra window, and oversized balcony, it feels more like a mini extended aft and offers a bigger, brighter experience than the typical balcony. Overall, it's a cabin that earns a solid recommendation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next horizon.